Hello everyone, welcome back to Hands On Study Hub. In today's video, we will learn how to perform basic arithmetic operations like 8-bit addition and subtraction using the 8051 microcontroller. As we all know, these are the fundamental operations. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let's start with the 8-bit addition program. First, load 04H into accumulator and then 03H into register B. As we all know, A and B are the two temporary registers which are used to store the data. And the special function of accumulator is which is used to store the final result. So, and then perform the addition operation in between A and B registers, and the final result will be loaded into register R0. So, A contains 04H and B contains 03H. So, while performing addition operation, 4 plus 3, 7. So, final result will be 7, which is loaded into R0 register. Now, moving to the 8-bit subtraction program, load the 08H into accumulator and 04H into B register and then perform the subtraction operation in between the contents of A and B registers. So 8 minus 4, 4. So the final result will be 4 and the result will be stored in R0 register. So let's get perform the operation by using a Keil software. So select a project and select a new Microvision project and save your project called 𝐸-𝐨𝐧 and choose your location path where you need to save your project file and click on save and then select your MC device 8089C51 and select 8089C51 and click on OK and then no. Now select your file and select a new file and then you need to write your program which is 8-bit addition and you need to save your project and by giving a program file name called 𝐸-𝐨𝐧.asm. ASM stands for assembly level language and you need to choose your location path where you need to save your program file. Save and click on source group, add existing file to source group, add and sub.asm and then add and then OK. You can observe here the add sub program file has been added to source group and then right click on target and options for target and select output and click on create hex file and then click on OK. Now you need to check for errors. So checking errors. So 0 errors and 0 warnings and click on build and rebuild your target files. Now you need to execute your program. For that click on debug and select start and stop debug session and then click on OK. Now you need to execute your program. So for executing, go for step online program. You can observe here the 04H is moved to accumulator and then 03H is moved to B register. You need to perform the addition operation. After performing addition operation 4 plus 3, it gives the result called 7 and the 7 has been moved to R0 register from accumulator. So this is the register window. So after performing the addition operation, let's get out from the debug session. Again you need to select the start and stop debug session. Now again we need to perform the 8-bit subtraction, right? Just replace the add with sub and it's your choice. You can replace the input data. Here I am replacing the input data with 08 and 04H and Again, after modifying the program, you need to save it once. And again, you need to check for errors and click on Build and Rebuild Program File. And then you need to go for Debug and again start and stop debug session. Now start executing your program by clicking Stop Online. You can observe A is moved with 08H and B is loaded with 04H and perform the subtraction operation. After performing 8 minus 4, the result will be 4. So next, the 04 from accumulator, it's get copied to R0 register. So, and that's how simple is it to perform 8-bit addition and subtraction using the 8051 microcontroller. If you found it helpful, like and share, subscribe to my channel, Hands-on Study Hub. So let's catch up with the next video.